2023, a year that showed me a lot of positivity, a year that I learned to unlearn and relearn, a year that I explored the untouched and latent, a year that is filled with emotions, a year that I contoured the art, a year that I started hustling and bustling, a year to be remembered. It was all meant to be because it was once said. Simple and clean thoughts and doings, just like this Kesari, just makes things much better for a while. It's just beautiful to see how a few ingredients, when combined, make a beautiful recipe. Kesari is a popular Indian sweet dish made primarily from semolina, sugar, ghee, water, or milk. It often includes saffron, which gives the dessert its distinct orange color and a unique aroma. Kesari is garnished with nuts like almonds and cashews, enhancing its texture and color. It is enjoyed across various regions in India. It is a common treat during festivals and celebrations. Sometimes all you need is some self-structuring of yourself, just like this Kesari. Wishing all of you a prosperous year ahead and a happy new year.